What's up, guys? So I just got the Google Pixel 8. You can't see it because the light is too bright. There we go. Got the Pixel 8 Pro in the Obsidian Black. I've already got the case on it. Upgraded from my Pixel 6 Pro, which was a little busted. Yeah, a little busted. It's seen better days, but it served me well in terms of calls, pictures, all that good fun stuff. I just got this one wiped clean, so I'll be returning that to the store tomorrow to get the credit for it. But yeah, I got the Pixel 8 Pro in the Obsidian. It's got the matte black colorway. Screen is super nice. That'll be you guys. Yeah, it's got the really good 50 megapixel camera. I can alternate between that and the 12 megapixel camera. It's got the AI features to allow me to edit photos a little bit differently than maybe I would normally. And it's got hella more storage, because this one was 128 and I finally got to the point where I was running out of storage, which most people will be like, you make content and pictures and all that kind of stuff. How are you just now needing to upgrade? I couldn't tell you, but I upgraded this one. It's in the 256 model, so it is super enjoyable. I'm loving it so far. Don't have any complaints with it. I will probably make another video at some point doing like a day in the life of like actually putting it through the test and taking photos, videos, all that kind of stuff with it, seeing how all of that holds up with it. But yeah, I'm super excited. It was a much needed upgrade because my 6 that I've had since COVID, since 2020, served me well, but it was just time. I could tell that the battery was starting to get really bad on it and everything. And I don't know, I guess I'm a content creator. I needed to, upgrade to the biggest and best of whatever it is that I use most often. I'm not an Apple guy. The only Apple product I've ever had is a MacBook Air. I didn't mind it. It's just not my preference. I don't bash people that are, iPhone loyalist or Samsung loyalist or anything like that. Go with what you know. If you prefer Apple over everything, if you prefer Samsung over everything or Google over everything, go with what works for you. Because at the end of the day, it is your preference, it is your phone. Stop bashing people that don't have the same phone that you do. Just because I have a Pixel 8 Pro instead of a 15 Pro Max doesn't mean it's a terrible phone. Just because it's not Apple. That's not how this works. But yeah, gonna do a day in the life review of it. Gonna see how it handles tomorrow at work and all of that sort of thing. But yeah, wanted to do a little bit of a unboxing video, which is something I don't think I've really done aside from unboxing my PC, which is running great, by the way. I'm gonna do a comprehensive review after probably another week or so of using it. What I like, what I don't like, all that good fun stuff. Gonna do the same thing with my phone. But yeah, I decided to do something different, do a little bit of an unboxing video of my Google Pixel 8 Pro in the Obsidian Black. I thought very strongly about going with the bay blue. It's a very pretty blue color, but also knew, me being me, I didn't trust myself having that thing out of the case and showing off that color, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go with the good old UAG case. So just go with black, slap that case on it, call it a day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what phone you are rocking with right now. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Don't you remember?